Welcome back to Trade KJD. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're new to day trading or have been in it for a while, one thing remains true: discipline is the key to long-term success. Today, we're going to explore how to stay disciplined in day trading. By the end of this session, we'll have actionable strategies to manage your emotions, stick to your trading plan, and build habits that lead to consistent success. Importance of discipline. As the saying goes, discipline equals freedom in trading. Discipline gives you the freedom to grow your account while minimizing unnecessary risk. A lack of discipline. Without discipline, emotions take over, leading to impulsive trades, over leveraging, and ultimately significant losses. In this video, we're going to be going over understanding why discipline is essential in day trading, building a solid trading plan and sticking to it, managing emotions and staying in control, and cultivating habits for long-term success. Why discipline is essential. So on number one, we have defining discipline in day trading. What I mean by this? Discipline means following your rules and plan no matter what. It's about executing trades objectively, not emotionally. Highlight the difference between disciplined traders and gamblers. At number two, we have the role of discipline in risk management. Discipline ensures you stick to your risk parameters, like setting stop losses and not risking more than a certain percentage of your account on a single trade. Share an example. A trader who breaks their rules and doubles down on a losing trade can wipe out weeks of gains in one bad decision. And last but not least, the psychology of success in trading. Discuss how discipline keeps you focused on long-term goals instead of chasing short-term wins. Mention that even the best strategies fail without proper execution. Now we're doing building a solid trading plan. At number one, we have key components of a trading plan. So component number one is define your goals. Remember this. What's your purpose in trading? Is it to stop one income, build wealth, or achieve financial independence? Another component is define risk tolerance. How much are you willing to lose per trade, per day, or per week? Have another component, choose your strategy. Mention swing trading. We just need to be very soon on the strategy I use. So you guys do that. And the last but not least component is establish entry and exit rules. Remember this. What criteria must be met before entering or exiting a trade? And then number two is the importance we're going to talk about managing emotions and staying in control. At number one, we have recognizing emotional triggers. What is this? The fear of missing out often leads to impulsive trades. Greed, the desire for more, can cause you to hold on to winning trades too long. And third, frustration, a string of losses can push you into revenge trading. And number two, we have strategies to stay emotionally grounded. But need this breathing exercises. When you feel overwhelmed, do this or breathe to regain focus. Take a break, step away from the screen if emotions are clouding your judgment. And acknowledge feeling, write down your emotions after every page. Over time, you know patterns that you can address. Last but not least, using automation to remove emotions. So tools like stop loss orders, take profit orders, and automated trading systems. These tools can enforce discipline by executing your plan, even when emotions tend to deviate. Alright, traders, let's wrap it up today. Today we covered building a solid trading plan, why discipline is essential, and managing emotions and staying in control. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips on how to stay disciplined. And don't forget to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with discipline. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.